Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a 2-minute mocktail that is Blue Lagoon, which is very refreshing and can be served in any kitty party or a birthday party. So let's cut short and start with the ingredients. These are the ingredients we will be requiring for making a perfect glass of Blue Lagoon. This is blue karaoke syrup, which you can easily get in any departmental store, and this is from Mala's company. Next is bottle of Sprite. This is a normal cold drink, and in case if you don't have Sprite, you can use soda plus sugar as an alternate. This is half sliced lemon, that is adha katta nimbu. Next is ice cubes, totally optional. This is one slice of lemon. Take an empty glass and add 2 spoons of blue karaoke syrup. You can increase or decrease the quantity of syrup according to the size of your glass. Then add around 6 to 8 drops of lemon and then fill the glass with Sprite. Take a spoon and mix it well. Take the optional item and add to it, as it is mainly served in summers, so I prefer it to be chill. Take this lemon and fix it in the edge of the glass. Fix a straw. So your chill and so refreshing mocktail is ready to be served. Why to spend so much money when you can easily make it at home in just 2 minutes? Serve it with crunchies, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you and bye bye.